Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another repair video, this time in a 2008 Nissan Xterra coming from California, Tyran White. He sent this computer, he said it has no communication. It's a no start, no communication. They sent this to somebody else and they deem the computer not repairable. It's a brick, it cannot be repaired. Uh, Not true. All right, so another the facility probably they don't have experience, they just know so much and that's as much as they can do. But again, don't tell your customer that computer is bad, it cannot be repaired if you're not sure. Just tell them the truth. If you reach to that point, says, as much as I can see, I cannot repair your computer, so this is as far as I can go. That's it. And don't lie because then, they send the computer to another facility and they can repair it and then you look bad. I not even know who was that. So um, this is again the information that I collected from him in a text message. So again, that's the VIN number, so you guys can see 539780. No communication, no start, and indeed the computer was open. I have pictures of that. Luckily for him, to whoever did the opening, it didn't damage nothing, but I can definitely see screwdrivers and the cover bent. I didn't apply any heat or anything to remove. Not so bad done. That is, I mean, not uncommon on these Nissans when you open the computer to bend the cover a little bit. I mean, you're going to do a repair. All right, so the computer is already fixed. It was again no communication, no nothing, so I have to actually uh, do the repair to see if it's repairable or not. So I got the multimeter connected. I have my already pre-made harness. This is really fast because I can connect to the 5-volt reference, fuel pump relay if I got to test that, or the communication immediately to my universal text box from WakeC. Yes, look for WakeC Automotive Universal Test Platform. These are very, very, very good. And I'm using my Cycling power bank. This is power supply for my bench. As you can see right now, it's saying that it's on because that is on. That's the only thing is on. And I'm going to turn everything on immediately. Now we got 5-volt reference, a very healthy consumption included with what you saw before there. I'm going to run an auto scan. Again, last digits of the VIN number, which you have very good communication in here. And that's perfect. That's the sound I like to hear. And that's 539780. So computer is good to go. That is no doubt about it. Let me also show something. If you're going over to my website, which I'm going to put here on the description of the video and on the video as well, is www.mikesalazardiagnostic.com, and Mike spells M-A-I-C. I know it's a little different, but that's just the way I am named, and this is my website, Mike Salazar Diagnostics. When you get there, you got home, book online, and it's a full website. This is not a small page. And we got a forum too if you want to participate. I like to share the repairs, and if you want to share questions or a repair you're doing and you need some help, you can do it in there. All the forum members will participate, and then it goes like that. If you visit the website and you look for mysalazardiagnostic.com, this is where you will land. Just, you can chat with us in here. You can contact us immediately right here. Here, you can also scroll down if you want to read some of the information and some of the stuff that I have shared here, our services. And then also we have pictures of previous repairs, and all the videos are shared as the bottom, so you are also able to see all the repairs that I've done. I am uploading videos 3 or 4 times a week, so you can select it in here if it's something that you like to visit, or you just go over to my YouTube channel, My Salazar Diagnostics, and then you can see us in there too. You can again fill the form, follow us on Facebook, and just request information if you have something to repair. Just scroll down and then you can see all this that I'm trying to share in here. All right, guys. Okay, Tyran, your computer is good to go. Now it's back in business. It's talking. We got a good working computer. I will be calling you shortly to collect payment and then send this your way as soon as possible. Thank you so much for your business. Again, if you guys have any Nissan computer you need to repair, please contact me at mysalazardiagnostics.com or Mike at mysalazardiagnostic.com. Or I will be putting everything on the description and on here so you can contact me. Thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye bye.